Good morning, guys. My name is Santosh. I am going to explain very nice topic. The topic means article. So, lots of time you are listening my videos, you are watching my video. So, if you like, press the like button, subscribe my channel, and watch that video till at the end. So, our today's topic is article. So, first of all, I am going to explain one example. If you are going to hotel and if you order to hotel to manager, otherwise waiter, please give me cup of coffee. So lots of time we use a coffee. So that is a mistake. That is a mistake. Means sometime we ask some questions to other person. Do you drink a coffee? That is a wrong thing. So why we never use a coffee and why we use only coffee? That data, that thing I am going to explain in my today's lecture. So first of all, we know articles. Article means appropriate words regarding the, a and an. There are three words, the, a and an, but there are two articles. Two articles. First one is definite, second one is indefinite. So first of all, we know what is meant by definite, and second thing what is meant by indefinite. So definite means definitely come into statement. Definite means definitely come into statement, and indefinite means sometime come and sometime not come, means we are not sure about that article. We are not sure about that article, that's why we have to call indefinite, and definite means definitely that article come into statement. The differences, the data we are studying today. So first of all, articles. But in today's lecture, I am going to deal only in indefinite articles. Indefinite article. Definitely after some time later, means next lecture, I will teach you about definite article. But now, I am going to teach you only indefinite article. So what is mean by indefinite article? Indefinite article means that article sometime come, sometime not come. Remember that thing. So when we want to use indefinite article, there are two articles. First one is a, second one is an. First one is a, second one is an. So when we want to use a and an, we mostly know common noun and proper noun. So what is meant by common noun and what is meant by proper noun? When we are going to outside, when we are going to Pune, when we are going to playing cricket, when we are going to different types of places, that time we see something. That time we see something according to structure. Remember, according to structure, every person call this is a bank, this is the bus stop, this is the car, this is the bike. Means when we are going to outside, according to their structure, we call this is a bank, this is a bike, this is a bus stop. Means common thing. If I am going to outside, then I see some structure, I call this is the bus stop. Another person is going there and see, then that person call this is a bus stop. That is a common thing. What is meant by proper thing? I know. According to structure, we use specific name, definite name. Remember, as like Bank of Maharashtra, Mansar bus stand, MG school, Tata car, Cello pen, like Z pen. Means generally we use common noun, but when we use specific noun, that's what to call common. So that is our first rule. What is our first rule? Use only in common noun. Use only in common noun means here don't think about proper noun, use only in the common noun. As like bank is the common noun, Bank of Maharashtra is the proper. School is the common noun and MG school is the proper noun. Then car is the common noun, Tata car is the proper noun. University is the common noun, Pune University is the proper noun. Then umbrella is the common noun, but red umbrella is the proper noun. That is our first rule. What is our first rule? Use only in common noun. Don't use in the proper noun article a or an. That is the first rule. What is the first rule? Article use only in the common noun. That is the first rule. Then second rule, if article pronunciation start from vowels, remember, if article pronunciation start from vowels, then use an. Such as university. University. Remember, not a u. U is the consonant. U is the consonant. But remember, if any common noun started from vowels, then umbrella. Remember, here is the U, here is the O. So A is the vowels. A is the vowel. So that's why we use an umbrella and a university. What is the difference between two words? There is the one difference, that means pronunciation start from Marathi vowels, then use an. So here is the an umbrella. Remember, pronunciation start from Marathi vowels, then you must use an. But if pronunciation is not start from Marathi vowels, then use O. So pronunciation start from consonant. Pronunciation start from consonant, then use O. So U is the consonant. In the Marathi there are 26 consonants. So that is our second and third rule. What is the first rule? Use only in the common noun. What is the second rule? Use an article only in the if word started from Marathi pronunciation, means an umbrella. So here is the bank. Here is the bank. So ba is a consonant. So a bank. Then school. A school. A car. A university. An umbrella. What is the difference? A and U. That is a simple difference. Then next, article don't use in a plural form. What is mean by singular and what is mean by plural? Singular means only one thing and plural means two or more thing. What is mean by singular? Singular means only one thing and plural means two or more thing. Definitely that subject, that topic I will teach you on my next lecture. So then our next point is article don't use for uncountable thing. So what is mean by countable and what is mean by uncountable? Uncountable means that thing cannot count by our eyes. As like stars, there are lots of stars. That stars we cannot count by our eyes. Then hour means an hour. Hour we definitely count, but stars we never count. Then milk, then year. So that is an example, such as stars, confidence, coffee, as like etc. So article don't use for uncountable thing. What is our first rule? Use only in the common noun. Second, pronunciation start from Marathi vowels, then use an. Third rule, pronunciation start from consonant, then use a. Then article don't use in the plural form. So singular means only one thing and plural means two or more thing. Then article don't use for uncountable thing. Uncountable thing means those thing we cannot count by our eyes. So that's why here is the simple rules. Means when you want to remember articles, indefinite articles, indefinite means sometime come, sometime not come. So then common noun and proper noun, then vowels and rules and regulation. So if you like my video, press the like button and subscribe my channel. I hope you understand very well. If you are not understanding my video, then repeat again my video and watch again. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.